it is very important. This one is very important. This one. It's very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice. Very nice, absolutely everything as was described, absolutely good. And this is amazing antenna, very light. We'll see how it's working. Main goal, Starlink system installation is to test it, because I would like to see how it's working. Learn something, how it's work, how to install, and take it to Dominican Republic and use it over there. Now I will film all process of installation this device in my house. Go and install this antenna to that shed. That shed temporary. I will use probably some weight and put cable inside the exhaust from fireplace here to make because I don't have another access, and if it's temporary, I don't need to drill a hole inside the wall. Try to avoid it. I did scanning with application, which for Starlink, for satellite, available satellite. It looks like I have full of sky of them. Doesn't matter which orientation. To take a cable through the fireplace, I will have to turn off everything here. And do not use this fireplace for a while. It's 2 months. It's going to work in my house here in Toronto. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good. I should turn off this device. Okay, and for if somebody accidentally, and I have to go and find the breaker downstairs and turn off breaker also. And fireplace, here is fireplace. Where is my finger? Fireplace. and I have to turn off breaker too. Okay, fireplace is off. It's off completely. Yeah, and what is my discovery? When you put it in, it's very hard to take off. It stay here. It stay here. I would like to put everything now on the roof. Okay, and we will see how it's going. I did a temporary installation on my shed and move cables through the fireplace. It's just for a couple weeks for testing before taking this system kit to Dominican Republic and use it permanently. Well, just temporary installation. You see the antenna dish Starlink on my shed stay. It's a little bit wrong, like they say, 18-degree wrong orientation, but working perfectly good. I'm Toronto area, download speed it's 160, 170, but upload 7, 8, 10, 11. I'm not very happy with this speed because it's downloading, it's probably 5 times slower, which my optical cable giving me. Uploading is probably 10 times slower. Yeah, not 10 times, even more than 10 times, 15 times slower I having, really. And really, I put the cable from satellite flow through my fireplace. I remove this top cover. Okay, do not drill any hole. It's going inside the house in this way. It's about a Starlink connection which I installed probably 2 weeks ago, and now I'm thinking maybe it's good idea to return them when it's not too late, because it's you can return during the 30 days. And okay, just run speed test. Yeah, то есть вы розумієте, yeah, you see this one, latency 40. They promise 29, whatever, how I remember. I'm server in Toronto, okay? And it's supposed to be 200, yeah, not less than 200 they promise. Okay, 563 uploading, what is that? What is that? And it's up and down, up and down. If you will do it, and okay, let's try, and it's like a, right now again. And it's complicated, complicated. You cannot transfer earlier than 4 months, 120 days since the purchase date. You see, this is absolutely not satisfied me. Nobody can be happy with this speed. And I'm living in suburb of Toronto, and they promised 220, 29. Yeah, latency now 29, it's better. Yeah, but download speed and upload speed and download speed, what is that, you know? What is that? And it's coming up and down, up and down. Biggest number I seen here is like 11, and here 150. And you don't know. And my wife, she even cannot work with this speed. Yeah, because it's nonsense, okay? And yeah, and let's go. Somebody will tell me that if I will go to Starlink website, maybe it's gonna be better. Let's try test from them. something like that, yeah. And after that we can remove this cable from here. Okay, that's only after that, not before. Did this connection.